Hey guys, this is Fundo on Ranchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Sbonelo burns down the church while Pastor Gwala is stuck in the church. Kapsile turn her back on Sbonelo after she hear that the church is burned and Sbonelo acts he don't know anything. Babekazi disappoint the insurance company and the police by paying the money back for insurance. Kapsile suspicious that Babekazi steal Nkunzi money. Do you think Pastor Gwala will survive on the church? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.